It's Tuesday, and what do we do on Tuesday? We join in with our awesome friend, the Helpful Home, for Teeny Tidy Tuesday. And anyone can join in. It's an open collab. It's really done well, and a lot of great creators join in with this. Best part of all, it's a free post. You can put this video up. It's not going to cost you anything but some time and some elbow grease, just to tidy up some tiny part of your home or yard. You don't have to do a big project, just do something. And over time, a little here and a little there, something will get cleaned up. This week, Grandma did 3 little projects. I clean out my refrigerator before I go grocery shopping. That's helping me keep my refrigerator clean. It's helping me not to overspend money because I already can see what I need and what I don't need. And 3, I cleaned out 2 shelves in my pantry. And I'm going to try to get 2 more shelves cleaned out next week, because it's a lot of work doing the whole pantry at one time. But you can do a shelf each week, and eventually it will look great and tidy once again. I got some bags of recyclables ready to take to the recyclable center tomorrow. And I also picked up a little bit in the backyard and tidied up and filled a few bags up. So I thought I did pretty good this week. A little bit in the backyard, a little bit in the kitchen, refrigerator, and the pantry. And of course, I gotta get some of these doggone bottles out of here. They're making the house look terrible. So, and then the best part of all, when I do take them back, then the money I get, I'm not going to spend it. I'm going to take it and put it in savings for my dental work. And I have a fund just for recyclables. And we'll see at the end of the year how much I was able to save. So keep coming by and seeing what we're doing. I'm joining in with a lot of different awesome creators, and a lot of these posts are free. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for coming by and seeing what I tidied up this week. See you next week, and don't forget, anyone can join in for this collab. And don't forget, The Helpful Home, a wonderful, wonderful channel. Well, we're going to be cleaning out the pantry. It'll probably take me 2 weeks. I'm going to do the first 2 top shelves in this pantry, and you can see the whole pantry is a total mess. So we'll see if we can get it fixed up and looking great again. So I got organized all my stuffing mixes together, my Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, and all my crackers are all in one place, and my cereals. And of course, Marie Calendar cornbread mix. So I have a lot of things organized and ready to go, and now I can go in there and start finding things a little easier, I think, and shopping. All at the top are all my jars from ragu, and I have all my beans and things up there. And this shelf I'm still going to organize a little bit better. It looks better than it did, but I need to get some more things up there. So let's see if I can organize it a little bit more. It isn't easy working on the pantry. I'm getting older, and it's hard because I'm not very tall, and I have to get on a stepladder to do this. So I try really hard to take my time and not to rush. I don't want to fall. But anyway, I think we got a little bit more stuffed in there, and I shouldn't have to buy too much this coming week. I think I'm going to see how much I can shop my own pantry before I buy groceries and see how we can do. Well, 2 shelves down, another 2 or 3 to go. We'll hopefully be able to share that next week, and hopefully I'll have it all done. Another thing that has helped me a lot is cleaning out my refrigerator before I go buy groceries. I find that is really helpful. Then I can see what I need to buy and what I'm getting low on. And it is saving me, I'm sure, at least $5 to $20 every week now, and I will probably keep doing this habit of cleaning everything out before I start, because it really does make a huge difference on my grocery shopping. Sometimes I buy things I don't even need because I don't realize I already have the stuff here. But everything gets cleaned out the day before I go grocery shopping, and that way I can see what I'm low on or what I need to buy. We're trying to get better at what we're shopping. I'm trying to keep my grocery bill more around 100 to 120. I allow myself 150 at the max, and anything left over will be going in my dental fund because I need a lot of dental work to be done. But I think we're doing pretty good. We're getting in the habit of cleaning that refrigerator, and that is part of life, just getting in the habit of cleaning. So if I clean it once a week, it is a lot easier and quicker because I'm not having to spend so much time taking everything out and wiping everything down so much. It's easier just to take out what you really have to. As you can see, I have it all cleaned out for I can go grocery shopping, and I can see right now I don't need any eggs, don't need any potatoes, and I do still have some lemons in the refrigerator. And of course, the sour cream I don't need either. And you can see I have plenty of rice because I wasn't paying attention. That's why I ended up having an extra bag of rice. But I don't want to complain because there's plenty there and plenty of cheese also. This is what's important about cleaning out the refrigerator and really seeing what you have already paid for in your home. For you don't waste more money than you have to. Make sure you don't overshop. And I don't have to buy bologna again this week because we still have bologna left because I can see it clear as day. And we're doing great. No milk, no sour cream, no bologna, no eggs. It's a lot of money that I'm saving. I don't need to buy. I already have. And I have plenty of potatoes also. That's what's important about cleaning that refrigerator before going grocery shopping. It helps us keep a budget and not to overbuy things we already own and have. Like I'm always telling you, check that pantry, check that refrigerator. Well, let's see what other grandmas do. Well, we've been busy trying to clean up around here a little bit. I got 4 bags of recyclables that are going on Thursday to the recycle center. And then the money that I collect will go into one of my savings accounts for the recyclables. And I have 3 trash bags of crap from my office. And I know I could have probably got more, but I'm getting older and I can't do any heavy lifting anymore. So anyway, there's 3 bags from the office. I'm going to throw those in the trash because it's trash day. And I picked up some crap in the garden, and I got 2 bags, and I can't lift anymore, so they're not too heavy, but they're not too big, but they're heavy for me. So that's doing pretty good. Not saying it's great, but at least something besides just, this is on top of my regular trash that's going out. So what would that be? 5 bags on top of my regular trash and 4 bags of recyclables. And probably next month I should have at least a couple more. I have some that I could have taken, but I'm trying to just show something every week, every month, I guess. So anyway, this is what I did for this month, along with cleaning out the refrigerator and 2 shelves in the pantry. So, thought we did pretty good. What do you think? Let me know. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.